I took a retirement quiz because I needed to know if what I'm doing right now is actually matching my timeline. And instead, it showed me what my money can realistically do, and that changed everything. I didn't take this quiz for fun. I took it because I wanted answers. I'm investing, I'm contributing, I'm trying to be intentional. But I wanted to know if my plan actually matches my real life, not internet timelines, and definitely not just put the max in and you'll be fine advice. For 2026, the Roth IRA max is $8,600 or $7,500 if you're under 50, plus the catch up if you're older. And online, that sounds very simple, almost too simple. Like, just max it and everything will work out. Okay, that sounds good. But actually, when I put in my real numbers into the quiz, I realized something important. The quiz walked me through timelines, projections, age based access to my money. And that's where the light bulb went off. I have about 6 years before I can access my retirement funds at 59 and a half. That money is incredibly important, but it's not designed to leave mine 9 to 5 in 5 years freedom money. And once I saw that clearly, my expectations changed. The biggest thing the quiz forced me to answer was a real simple question. And I think a lot of us skip it. And it's what is this money really for? Other questions like, is it for retirement age? Or is it for flexibility before retirement? Or am I just investing? Or am I investing just because it feels like I should? So these were the questions. When I can, the quiz didn't tell me I was doing anything wrong. It showed me that my expectations didn't match my timeline. And once once those two things line up, investing feels a lot calmer and focused. So here's the shift that changed everything. My job isn't something I need to escape from. It's a tool that will help me build my future options. My plans didn't suddenly become wrong. My focus just got better. And just to be clear, I'm a woman investing while still working and adjusting my plan as I get better information. So you should always do your own research for your personal situation. So if you're investing and it still feels confusing, and it might not be because of a discipline problem. It might just mean that your timeline needs a little readjustment. The quiz didn't discourage me. It grounded me. It helped me see what my money is actually meant to do and how to make better decisions going forward. And if you're new to investing or getting back into it, I have a video with some red flags to watch out for. So I'll put it up here, link it up, link it here or there. Um, Also, in my next video, I'll break down how I think about different investing accounts and how they fit into real life. So if you're learning to invest while you're still working and want honest, beginner friendly conversations, go ahead and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, Which investing timeline are you focused on right now? Is it retirement, flexibility before retirement, or both? We're building clarity and not pressure. So that's the focus, clarity and not pressure. So you need to know these things in advance. So don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon.